Hello, can you folks hear me? I don't know if it is there. Maybe let me check on my phone. Um, can you folks hear me? Okay, I think we are good to go. So I'll explain what we are doing today. Let me first put it on Twitter. Just Uh, Let me just quickly put it on Twitter and then we'll just continue. Hey, why is the screen so delayed? Though I've been continuously changing, or what exactly is happening? Is it like streaming a tab? Uh, okay, I don't know what's happening. Increase the video quality of. Oh my god, so many frames dropped. Wow. Okay, internet is pretty unstable today. Let me see if I can. How come video is stuck? That's so weird. Uh, just give me a moment. Okay, now. Oh, okay. I think we're back. I think the internet is extremely poor today for some reason. Maybe let me see if I can reduce the video quality. Oh, okay. I have to stop and start maybe. Is it stuck again? Uh, okay. Anyways, so what are we doing today? So I've been reading. I mean, not reading exactly. been studying Rust last few days, I think. I mean, I started couple of weeks back, but just couldn't keep up. I mean, a lot of stuff was going on. So then what I felt, maybe I should come back and revisit, and I had some time. And uh, basically what I've been thinking about is, like, I have a small problem that I would like to fix, which is, just a moment, I have to split screen, otherwise I won't know exactly. So, oh, oh, okay, that is unfortunate. Okay, cool. Uh, so so basically what we are trying to do today is, like, just build. So my problem with that is, I have a lot of secrets. Secrets essentially. Oh, hey, why? What is that? What is that purple sign? Oh, how do I reply to people? Uh, Hello. Yeah. Uh, so the issue I have is mostly, it's I don't know if it is a valid problem though. So which is, I have a lot of API keys, not essentially uh, like API keys. These are like different AI tools and all that stuff, right? So what happens is, I usually keep using different keys for different stuff, and what happens from that is, I know I just need to manually go and change keys all the time, right? Which of course doesn't scale, because that is tiring, right? And it's manual stuff. So what I've been thinking, is, if we have a known set of, like, variables sorry, yeah, secrets that we need to rotate, and maybe some way we can make them, like, just from some CLI we can just switch them, like, hey, use this number. So for example, let's say I have, okay, I can do it here. So let's say, uh, right, so if sum is this, but sum can have 5 different values, for example, more, right? So it can essentially have any values, and what I would like to do is, just switch it on demand from the terminal, so that should do the job. So I don't know how exactly, wait, is the mic hitting my face? I don't know how exactly am I going to build it, but I have a few ideas. What I've been thinking is, we can define, also I should do this. Yeah. So what I was thinking, we should define all the secrets that we can end up having, right? And then we define all the values they can have. For example, just for an example, let's say I will do key, right? And then there can be, let's say, key, right? And maybe, I don't know, what if a key, okay, GitHub, okay, right? So these are what are going to show up in the end, right? End as in, like, what gets used, and for the values what we can have, something like, right, and here we can say, like, how many variations these guys can have, right? So for example, let's say we do one more, uh, more, uh, and then we can have, another one, right? And say, hey, right? So then what we do is, basically, whenever you hit your terminal, for example, if I do um, let's say rotor, right, and rotate X. Let's say open AI key. So what I would like it to do is, let's just tell me, okay, these are all the values that are there, and which one you want to use. Another thing that I would like to do is, giving identities. So what I mean by that is, I can say this key belongs to this work, right? For example, I can say, I don't know the syntax that will figure out something like maybe open code key. I don't know, open code key. And here, instead of being open code, this can be what else is that? Maybe cursor key, right? So when I hit rotate here, instead of it showing me the true values, what it can essentially do is tell me, hey, this is the name of this key, right? So this can become name or label or whatever, right? And and that becomes our identity, and then we rotate, and as soon as I hit, it sets the value, and next time when I do echo something, right? So it tells it so it gives me the value that is actually set, right? Just to set the expectations. I am so new to Rust, I don't even know, uh, like just like to be super honest, right? I just started, I don't know, maybe few days back, and I'm somewhere here. Though I have a good understanding of, not good understanding, I would say, like I have I have an idea now of how the referencing and everything works, and also the compiler is so useful. So useful as in helpful, right? Uh, like I can give you an example. If I do something like this, it'll scream because it's not borrowed, right? Anyways, so it should be helpful, and the syntax, from my previous like visits to Rust, right, where I tried to learn, uh, I have had this like thought, oh, it's so there are two actually. So the original one is this guy, which is, you just search for Rust book and you should get it. Which one I am reading from is from Brown University. So they have a yeah, yes. So this is from Brown University, and what they're doing is they're trying to improve the Rust book with quizzes and examples, right? So how it works is, after you go through some lecture, you can like answer stuff, and just stays fresh in your memory. It's actually pretty cool, and the way they have built it, they have also built a lot of stuff around it, like how it works and all that. It's pretty cool. You can check it out in it's called Cognitive Lab or something, if I'm not wrong. It's called Cognitive Engineering Lab. That's what it is called. It's from Brown University. Anyways, uh, so I'll just draw a quick to do on what we're going to do, right? Actually, I should use multi-line. What good thing is this is more or less like JavaScript experience on comments, which is, I feel, is the greatest way of doing it. Right. Well, I like Gleam as well, where they have double slash and triple slash for docs and double slash for general comments. Anyways, so what we'll do, basically few things. First one is basically will be helpful, right? We'll see. Okay, this is not a priority. Check if the config is there, and ask them to init if it's not, right? Also, is the theme okay? Maybe, I don't know what is, actually, whatever is there is fine. It's not there, right? And right now I'm thinking I can just put it in uh, secrets RC. Maybe we can allow people to customize that. Anyways, so next what we need to do is we need to figure out uh, all the variables that are supposed to be there, or secrets that are supposed to be there. That's the first thing. So then figure out from the file what are the secret names to be set. So what I'm trying to do here is something similar to uh, what I did for think you saw for migration, where you space separate a migration up and down. So it's something like, it goes something like this. So migrations up, and then it goes migration down, right? So you treat these as delimiters in the entire file string, and then you split and then you process, right? So we'll do something similar. Again, I did not choose a conventional config file, something like toml or yaml or json maybe, right, which is much easier to work with. What I want to see is like what exactly how do I put it, like how intuitive it is to do string operations, like going through splitting, matching, and doing all that stuff, right? And this will involve a lot of googling, by the way, because I don't really know how all of this works. And then we see, like, for each secret, what are all values that can be set, right? And there, oops. So we need to figure out if x secret can have what value, and what exactly is the purpose of that value, right? Like it does it have a name or something, right? That is there. Then I think that I don't know if it is going to be tricky. I don't know. So what we have to do is we have to set. So for example, we need to build the true CLI stuff, which is first is um, as when it's triggered, we need, or no, not triggered, when it is called, we need to list all secrets. Then we need to ask which secret to look at, right? Then we need to say, okay, if they choose uh, we need to ask what to set, right? And then once that is done, we actually set it. So which is set the for the secret and make available in the terminal, right? So if you do like stuff like echo and stuff, you should get it. So for example, if I do echo open a key, I should be able to get it, right? So that's basically it. That's the plan, right? And I wrote this in like last 10 minutes before streaming, right? So I don't know if it is actually done. So we need to make it slightly small. Also, I don't know if I always get scared when I stream, because I feel like I'm leaking some private information. That is so weird, but that's what I do feel all the time. Anyways, so if you see what we have, it is reading, I think. Let me see if I can log it. And if I do, sorry, that one, argument must be string plural. Oh, yeah, correct. I forgot. Sorry. Sorry. Uh, uh, doesn't implement. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a vector, I think. Does it do to string? Uh, oh, oh yeah. Yes. This has to be a vector. So what does this return? Oh, these are bytes, huh? How do I do string? Oh, it's called oh my god. Okay, we'll do this. Now, can I call it and render? Result string. Okay. Uh, that would be file.unwrap, I believe. So gleamy. Now, beautiful. Perfect. Okay, so we can see it. So what I did here is basically, uh, so I don't know if you guys know. Few languages like Rust and Gleam, they treat error and null and everything as values, right? So that's why you see this type is called result, because it can have two outcomes, which is okay, and error is error, like things didn't go as expected, right? So we are supposed to do pattern matching here, something like this, where you do, I keep typing case because of Gleam. Anyways, so we are supposed to do something like this, right? And then underscore is everything. So if you see, and if you have gone through my previous streams, right? This looks very much like Gleam, because Gleam was actually inspired from Rust, right? And a few other uh, languages like Haskell and stuff. So I run, it should run. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so we have this. Then I think now we should build the next step, which is figuring out names of all the variables, right? So what I'll do, I'll just do function parse file. That would be, I believe this is how you define. Does it screen? Is it and string? Oh, is it like this? Is it correct? Is it log? Uh, Let me see. Oh, keep, man, this, my JavaScript mind cannot comprehend this, lol. Anyways, function partial demand date code. Okay, cool. We won't be dead any. And if I took file, it should be expected reference. We got result and should be complete, I believe. No? Yeah. That would be perfect. So as you can see, even though I am like stupid at Rust, the compiler helps a lot. This is the same is the case with Gleam, where you actually get a lot of help from the compiler itself, right? And I think they're still improving that, but it's already pretty great. And if I run, it should be beautiful. Okay, so from here, what we'll do first, we'll split. So I don't know, I'll write the spec later. Maybe I don't know, put a line or something. Uh, we need a delimiter between this and that. How do we? I think using regexes is the most stupid way. But I'm thinking if I can do basic string stuff and maybe get it done, right? That would be super unintuitive. How do we? Maybe okay. I think we can use a regex. Does it have regexes here? Okay. Is it, that should standard library, by the way? I don't know if it is there. It's not. It seems like a package. Is there? I mean, regex. Oh, it's not that beautiful. What is the pack? Okay, let's just inspect the package. Searching. Okay. So like this crate is similar to some very different stuff. Okay. Regex the unwrap. I think when you use unwrap, it panics if I remember correctly. It does, right? Yeah, it panics. Okay. Vector. Oh my God! Look at this syntax. Path, line, number, line, capture, iteration. That's the string. Map, C, extract. Okay. Oh, this seems like a lot of work. I think there is a faster regex library, but okay, we shouldn't focus on performance for now. Some gaps. Okay. What does this regex do? It takes Murphy. Okay. Where is the method docs? What the hell? Oh, I think I still need to learn how to read uh, how to read Rust docs. I think I don't know how does it work. What is this? So how is this simpler? Okay. Oh, okay. Matches something into iteration. Oh, this looks like Java Stream way. Nice. Well, I think it's reverse maybe. Uh, okay. I think this is probably what we need. Other than this regex set, if they had something called find, I remember. I just need groups. Where can I get groups? Uh, or also, how do I split? Can I split that regex? Uh, okay. Returns the iterator over submitting. Okay. Character match with a pattern. Character matches. Okay. Iterator behavior. Okay. I think this is a vector. Yeah. Okay. We do more stuff. Okay. Okay. We'll do one thing. I don't know if regex is the way to go. Maybe we can start with just splitting and trying to figure it out, right? Okay. I'll do. How should I split it? That's the problem. Uh, Only the issue is let me see. Hey. Okay, what's the syntax? Regex new something. It will be okay. We'll do schema, right? Schema regex is regex new if I am not wrong, and we'll split that schema, right? And then how do I do flags? Or I can't do flags. Can I do flags? What the hell is this? Oh, I think I know. I think I know. I think I think this is a mac. Is this a macro? What the hell is this R? Oh, oh, it's like template literals in JavaScript. Okay. That, oh, it will also, oh, that makes sense. That's cool. Okay. So what I need to do again, rated fine, unwrap some more crap. Okay, we'll do schema fine. That would be file. I think file has to be borrowed. My god, it's called match, man. Then we do something like it's called find iteration. Okay, find iteration. Find iteration. Is that what it is called? Hey, I think, eh? That's what I did now. Oh, crap. I need to panic a lot, maybe. Okay, now. Missing matches, arm type, something. Okay. Well, I can continue to. Oh, this. Oh my god. Uh, that returns matches directly. Okay. Hey, and collect the map. Okay. Let secrets. That would be a vector. I think vectors are map. How do you do? Oh, it's like rupee. Nice. And you to string, hash string. Is it hash string? Yeah. And then collect. And can I do print line again? Lines. Oh, I can't do this. See if that works. Oh, I can't do. Oh, I have to loop. For I think I can do this now. Can I do this? Beautiful. Cargo rat. Hopes and prayers are with me. Huh. Perfect. Okay. So we need to get whatever is in middle. How do I do multi-line string? Where is the syntax? Syntax. Multi-line. Multi. Oh. Oh, nice. Okay. I didn't know you can do this. Oh. Regex filter. New. And start from. We'll start with schema. And from here we'll capture everything. Not everything. We'll capture. Actually, you know what? We'll capture everything. We'll figure out the regex selected. Then we'll again do schema. Right? I think that's what it is. Yeah. I think this syntax itself is slightly weird. I feel like maybe I'm overthinking. What I can do maybe is something very stupid as like some Tamil stuff maybe, because hash is it's weird. I don't know. It's very weird. Like what is a stupid text, like a stupid text format that we can with this? No, that doesn't work. I think we can do this. This sounds pretty stupid. We can do something like 2 hyphens and then a label maybe. Oh, that no, those are like how do you do it, man? Why is it so tricky? Uh, okay, I'll do this. We'll do this. This is pretty simple. Secrets, then capture everything, and I'll give it a name also. Secrets, and then again, and then it was saying multi-line true, I think. And then what else is there? Build, okay, and then unwrap. Does it scream? Super. Okay. I think they should do the job. Just quickly. Let me see if this works. And if I do this, does it work? Oh, beautiful! It doesn't work. Perfect. Oh. What am I doing wrong? I don't think we need that. This multi-line should do the job. If I do this, then okay, it's funny how we are going towards the Tamil-like syntax. Perfect. Oh, okay, this doesn't match as well. I don't think dot matches. I think it matches everything that is not a white space, right? Ah, yes. I have to do S. I think. Yep. Beautiful. And then you have to do dot. Okay. Okay, that works. How do we repeat it and make it uh wait, how do I match a new line? New slash, okay. Does this work? Beautiful. And that's perfect, I think. Okay, this should work. And I think I forgot about the bar. Yep, that is a roster. Queries to add mutant, okay, that is there. Let's see if it yields anything. Am I not logging anything? Oh. Fine. Oh, I need match. Where is group? Capture iteration. Yes, I think this is what we need. We need all the capture groups. Title era. Interesting. This is like a generator. Oh, they have split. Nice. This is a macro. Group. But I feel like this is little too much. I don't know. It feels weird. Maybe. Anyways, we'll just do what is supposed to be done, right? Uh, secrets is supposed to be vector of string vec for that is what's the syntax for uh underscore I assume is the index. Oh my god, it looks so weird. If where is named? Oh yes, please. Named. Yeah. Uh, no. Oh, I don't want to name it. That would be in schema captures. That would be file. Have to borrow. And then we have to. Oh, it's captures iteration. Yeah, and that would be file. And then map where as to it's called extract. What does extract do? The convenience routine for extracting substring corresponding to a matching capture group tuple. Oh, that's why. Okay. I assume this is syntax is correct, so that would be secrets, right? And then we need to see how do you push again? Push. Okay. Can you spread? Huh. Oh man. Oh fuck. Um. So the problem here is we need to split them by units. Expected struct. Can I spread? Expected struct found struct is collect. Is it collect? Ah, what what does split return? And what does collect make it? Turn it into a relevant collection. Iteration to map then collect. Okay. It's here. It says where. Split collect. Okay. I don't. How do I? Well, I can't reassign, can I? Ah, I think I know. Beautiful. Well, so this is borrowing. Oh, what the hell is this? This used in borrowed from, it's also the type of string literals. Declared strings literals have a static lifetime, which means okay. Structures fail on static time as well. Okay. Pointer to sound bites and a length. Okay. Well, I'll read about it. Let me see what did we extract. What does it even run? Why are you not running? Or nothing matches? What am I doing wrong? It says split by x. Oh, crap. It has to be global. Oh, why can't I do global? Oh my god. Oh, I can't do flags? What the hell? Uh, why can't I do flags? Matching character repetition flags here. Where can I pass a flag? Am I blind? Set flags within current group. Okay, that I know. How do I set a flag? Uh, okay, I know. Perplexity Mata will help us. Oh, oh, that makes sense. That is basically, oh my god. Then how do I do a new line? How do I do the S flag? Oh, oh, okay, that's cool. So what do I do? Like this. Oh, it's called dot matches new line. Okay. Yay! We have it. And if I And if I try to log the size, secrets dot length, does it have length? Length, beautiful. Oh my god, yes, we did it. Just a moment. Okay, so we have it, so that this one is done. That figure out for each secret. Okay, this is done. Next one is we need to parse the next step. So I'll just move this here. File is still going to be, I think, can I do this? And I need to return secrets. Yeah, wait, program. I'm typing. Don't worry. Oh, sorry. TypeScript pest control. Should do the job. Beautiful. Okay, so we have all the secrets here. Now we need to do the difficult work, which is this. And I think for here, this one, what we can do is we can, instead of doing regexes, what we can parse it line by line. So my plan for that is again pretty stupid. So we just need to, we can do two things. For simplicity's sake, we can do not two things, we can actually do a lot of stuff that can simplify a lot of it again, which is instead of allowing them to put the label here, we can, do something like this. Open code and put a colon, right? So this basically becomes the name, right? And here this becomes the key, a reference to the key. That is for simplicity's sake. Oh. So what I'll do here, I'll just do the same thing. Function secret offsets, right? And file is going to be again a borrow file. I don't know what to return here for now. So here what we'll do is we get all the something similar till here, right? So instead of it being secret, it will be values, and again it will be test, right? And here okay, to rename, and here here we are splitting and collecting, right? I think we can do a double loop also, where we index them based on their values. I don't know how do you do implementation. I haven't gone through that. Let's quickly just go to that. I think this is a perfect time to uh, create like some object oriented crap. I don't know if that is there. I think it is there. What is this? Something. You have a struct. Yes, we have a struct. We have the name and a lot of other crap. More stuff. Okay, how do you do it? How to control encapsulation? You can decide. Okay. You can define a struct. Oh, I think I have to read structs. Capture IO test. Traits is trauma. I will read it later. Where the hell is struct? Yeah, here. Okay, I was supposed to read it tomorrow, or it doesn't matter. Structure tuple. Okay. Okay. Struct. Okay. Okay. Define, we create an instance of the struct by concrete values. Oh, dot notation. Oh, this looks like object. I think it is object maybe. Build user something. Oh, nice. All that gibberish satisfies crap in TypeScript. Filled in, what is that? Oh, okay. Creating instance rather than smart rotate. I think it's the spread thing. Of course, it is the spread. But the what is okay? Tuple structs with name fields. Yeah, that makes sense. You did like structs without any fields, or this is basically types. Okay, can structs have functions? Or do they need functions? I don't think they need functions. Okay, we'll simplify the living crap out of it. We'll just define it here. So our struct secret is there. Then we have a struct secret value, right? So which has a value, which is a string. Then we have name, which is also a string. Oh, yeah. And here we have a this also have a name, that is a string, and we have values, that is a vector of values. This is perfect. Oh, oh yeah, correct. Does this work? Yes. Oh, now I get it. The size of the value string cannot be. I haven't written anything. Ah, beautiful. Okay, so instead of storing structs as string here, what we can do, we can do secrets, and here can we do like can we map? Can we map? Yep. And we get the item. How do you do arrow functions? Is it like this? Okay, is it like this? The fuck? How does anonymous? Okay. Uh, rest anonymous functions or predicate syntax. Why is spelling always so difficult? Closures on crap. How can I do a block? How do I do a block? Please, no, don't inline. How do I do multi-line? Please don't search for edits. Oh my god, no. How do I do multi-line in Pretty? Do I use? Oh, yeah, exactly. I need a closer. I just don't know. I'm sorry. I'm just. Oh, it looks like this. Okay, man. Like this JavaScript. Fuck. Oh, I've already written it. Oh my god, I want to cry. Secret. Then it looks like name. Name is it, and values should be a vec of empty if I'm not wrong. I hope it doesn't turn out beautiful. Oh, that's a double vec. I did miss something. Wait, something is happening. Uh, uh, Now, mismatch type. Okay. Expected struct secret we got a map. Oh, I think we need to do collect if I'm not wrong. Build. Oh, I'm getting the hang of it. Yes, yes. Let's go. And that would be secret, I believe. Beautiful. Okay, so we got that, and here when we collect, we need to do few things. So, for example, here it looks something like this. Like when I split values, doesn't have to be like this, which it should be secret. And here value okay, so here we have to do another loop on every line. So I think this will capture the entire thing, right? I don't know. I feel we don't need a loop here because this will always return one. First match, yeah. Why do we? I think here also we don't need capture relation. Oh, oh, my internet is gone. Uh, well, what I was doing, I forgot. Uh, what I was doing. Uh, where is regex? Capture, yeah, here. Captures and wrap. Oh, that is simple. Do we need this? We don't need this. Uh, we don't need this, and we need to get rid of this, and we need to get rid of this. And here there is no secret, which I don't know why is it not. So I have to unwrap. I can do an empty string that is safe. No method net split for option. Oh my god, someone kill me. Okay, the problem is, oh, oh, I isn't there like a pipe kind of thing where you don't like, you it, because in Gleam I think that's called map, I believe. Of course it is there. Why did I think it's not there? Stupid. Um, then I think we can just directly assign it to secrets, and we can, I think this will do the job. Yes, it will. So here this should look like captures. It is. I will do it dot get 0. We'll do another map where I think this should look. Oh yeah. Unwrap. That should be a string. How does it look here? Oh, that's unwrap or map. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, that's what I'm trying to do. Uh, what I'm trying to do is, instead of operating on the value, we just internally change the representation, and that should do the job. But my thing is, do they have like something like a replace? Oh my god. What's funny is this is literally, I mean, I think this is good that Gleam was written based off of this. That helps. Uh, yeah, you are right. Because that was written on top of this, so it looks very similar, right? Uh, okay. Okay, we'll fix it properly later. For now, what I'll just do, I think we are at, it's a string. Oh, uh, string, and I think it should become option string. Beautiful. Here we just need to split and return. That's it, yeah. And get rid of this. Oh, I'm missing something. Oh yeah. Mistype. Expected match found string. Why? Yeah, but I want to replace the. So what I would like to do is, even if I return one option from here, it should be treated the same. Oh, yeah, you see. So here when I'm doing it dot get, right, uh, you're getting me. So if I do get here, what I should do is, if you see the option value here is a match. In this match, it should turn out to be option of a string. So essentially, we are modifying the internal structure, right? I mean, whatever the value that is held within option, instead of uh, going and like, so if you see this is becoming nested. Yeah, it is a nested option. I think uh, because get returns, I think we have to still unwrap. There is no other way, I believe. There is a flat, there should be a flatten, no? Oh, yes, it is. Now it should, yes, that is correct. Uh, and I think here we need to string. Does this work? Map. I think I have to do collect maybe. No, or I have to unwrap again. No, okay. Uh, what we'll do is we'll just name it something random and values is. Hope this works. Now struct map. Uh, oh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, correct. It should be iterator and then collect. Uh, yeah, you're right. Split returns option, huh? You mean here? We're almost there. Side option iterator. Where is this extra map coming from? Oh, I got it. This is my stupidity. So instead of doing this, we think we can just do unwrap. Uh, pattern. Uh, okay, we're getting there. So now, what does this return? Uh, why is it, am I doing something wrong? It says uh, this doesn't have. Wait, it returns option on next after unwrap, my bad. Okay, after split. Okay, I don't think split returns option. Uh, well, split we have to convert it to iterator, and I think collect does that, which is a vector. Uh, I think I messed up something. Value. So split collect returns string vector. How did? Oh yeah, correct. But the thing is, like this map is not a vector map, no? It's a like it's just replacing the value inside option, right? So that's why this is a match, and this collect returns an actual iterator, if I'm not wrong. I think I'm doing something wrong. Uh, okay. I'll just do this. Okay. Expected. Didn't I do? Yeah, I think you're right. But there is a different issue now. Oh, oh. No method collect. Yeah, of course. So it has to be on wrap first, and then it becomes a map. I think then we have to do collect. Yup. Okay. Thank you so much for helping. Uh, so here, name is a reference, I believe. Then I don't think can we like clone expected. Ah, yeah. Oh, yes, finally it works. Yes, I'm going to cry. Value assigned, and it's never read. Of course, we don't need all this crap. We can just directly return. That would be completely fine. Expected struct like found unit where should oh yeah, correct. I don't need the semicolon. I forgot. Yeah. Why not derefer? Yeah, we can do that. We can do that here, right? Yeah, I think we can do this. Or here, I think. No, I think this is fine. So what it is saying is this is this one. I think this is the reference, and we need to convert it to a string, which is essentially cloning, right? If I'm not wrong. Well, let's stick with this. I think maybe I need to get better at understanding it even more, right? So now we have all the secrets. So here we'll just do exactly the same. Uh, Only thing that we'll do different here is just slight conversion stuff, right? Uh, Instead of schema, it will become values regex, and all this is fine. We don't need all this crap, and we change it to vector of value. Oh, sorry, secret value, and that captures. I am not. I am not. I don't think that is possible, right? Can you do that? Because it won't be known, like the length won't be known, right? Because I remember I saw it screaming here. I don't know. Anyways, okay, this of course won't match. So here we split and then we again need to split. So what we'll do, there will be a, yeah, here we need to do a flat map. Oh wait, do we need to do a flat map here? Oh yeah, we need to do a flat map here. So map again. I don't know if how much, like how bad it is for performance, like doing all this repetitive. Yeah, exactly. You need, yeah, correct. Because it won't be known, right? Anyways, so here at this point, oh yeah, I don't need to do this yet. I think I can do it here. Here I need to convert it to an array first, I think, and then do a map. Can I do that? Oh, can, okay. Uh, that would be row, and each row should be also a string. Yes. So then each row is this, and then we need to split it at colon again, right? So few things. I think it's easy, way easier if we do it with regex. Or not this. So that would be, it starts with only words are allowed. Then oh, two groups here. So that is the label. I think maybe I should put a name. And then we have the secret, which is again till this. Okay, and double plus, that should do the job. And assuming everything is going to be string, I feel like this we don't need to do this. Maybe you can just directly do equal access. And here we need to allow few things. For example, all kind of word. I don't think underscore, underscore is there. Should we allow hyphens? Actually, for now, we can keep it to word. Okay, this looks fine. Oh, crap, I forgot. Yeah. Okay, so this is our what is it called? Uh, secret value regex. I think I can directly build this. Right, and here uh, uh, okay, so now here we need to do multiple matches, right? If I am not wrong, the syntax is uh, captures returns the first one, right? Yeah. How do I get multiple groups? Eh? What the hell is this? Okay. I remember there are few examples. Where did that go? Yep, this is exactly what we need. Though it's a vector. Oh yeah, we can destructure. Yes. What the hell is this? Caps, not extractor. Oh, that is capture groups. Okay. Uh, it is Vim. It is Vim. I mean, new Vim. And I have a Rust analyzer. I don't know what exactly is happening. Though I don't know what do you mean by type annotation as hint. Like, can we turn it on Rust analyzer? Is it possible? I don't know. Like, does it help? Yeah, this is what I have, right? I mean, I don't know, like if it can suggest. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's just continue. So all of them are strings. How can I do a vector destructure? I remember they're showing me here. Let a string neo string is shown on the left side, whether I have to guess the type of typing. Oh, yeah. No, I'm just saying like for okay, I can do this. That would be label would be secret value vary dot. Oh, hey, it was called captures now. Oh my God, why do I always keep forgetting on that? That would be row, and I have to uh, and then I have to do map. Huh. Uh, well, why do I need to destructure some 20,000 times? Uh, I can just return. Oh, that won't work. Okay, but I'm returning this. Oh, okay, finally we have everything. And here we need to do secret value, and we have value which is value, and we have name which is label. Vector secret value can be letter of types, nothing. Okay. I think there is some syntax error. Why is value unknown? Oh wait, we're returning a tuple, man. Hey, why is it still unknown? Oh, this text itself is wrong. Hmm. Oh, so then I need to do it here. Huh? But here it says it knows the value. Doesn't it know the value? But why do I have to? So why is it on wrap? I had a thing. Now, why do I need to use a vac? Why can't I do this? Oh, yes. Uh, let's see, like what I my mistake was blindly following docs. I didn't think for myself. That's the issue. Anyways, I do need to do 100 here. And collect. Perfect. And I don't need names. I can. Though I need name, I believe, because how are you going to push? I think uh maybe I can pass it. I think that should do the job. So if I do secrets and I pass all, uh, if I do this, then here I can. How do I find and push? Oh, that doesn't make any sense, right? Like that feels weird, and it feels like I am not doing it correctly. Okay, anyways, so we have secret value. Uh, what I need to do is, yeah, no, not push to yeah, correct, you're right, push to vector. So basically, here we need to go and find, uh, yeah, 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 correct. I mean, if it is borrowed, we can push, no. So basically, what I mean is, yeah, I have to make it mute here first. You're right, and then I have to do parse secret options. That would be, uh, mismatch. Yeah, that is a mismatch. You are, uh, I have a, yeah, it should be. Oh, oh, if it is borrowed, it cannot be passed around. So then there we need to return a completely new value. So which means here we have to do dot to vec. Oh, oh. Well, we don't need to be too smart about it because I'm not smart. But I think I can do keep the current signature, and then instead of assigning it here, right? And then I can just loop over and assign it here. Oh, correct. And it means it we can modify it and then still return, right? Okay. Let me try this because anyways, also I know it will scream. Uh, okay. What I'll do here is basically go through all of them, and I think then I have to mark these ones as mutable as well, right? If I'm not wrong, because if this has to be mutable as well, if I'm not wrong, right? Oh, okay. We'll see. Let the compiler help us. Uh, Value in secret values. Uh, well, how should we? I think the implementation itself is wrong because here it's a vector, right? Because secret is a vector, it's just very difficult to index. Correct. So I think maybe we should look at a record type. Does it have a record type? Yeah, you're right. That's what I was thinking. The thing is, uh, I don't know if Rust has a record type where the key can be. It's like I don't know if it has. That is struct. Oh, it's a hash map. Yes. No. So the reason for that is if you think here, I know. Uh, I mean it's so I'll tell you the problem. So if I loop over, so okay. So if you see, uh, actually, you know what? We don't even need to do this. Why am I complicating it? And we don't even need this. We don't need this because like we don't see the problem is I'm thinking way too much in object oriented crap, and that's my issue. uh, like um, we don't need to uh, store it as a struct, right? Like secret doesn't have to be a struct because it's only for selection purpose, correct? It's not, it's Mac. I had a Linux earlier. It's not. Also, why it's unusually way too many people today. Usually it's me. Well, I'm happy so many people are here. Uh, Also, my internet is definitely trash because I'm seeing everyone like after a massive amount of delay. So that's uh yeah, correct. Yeah, I mean, we don't need to complicate it, right? So I think the first and second part both are done. Let's just log it and see like how does it look. And let's see like if I can log the label and stuff. Secret values and that I want to log the value. Let's see, does it work? Just 1 minute. I need to get rid of this. And I need to get rid of this. Convert the rest of the values to be. Uh, yeah, somehow. Okay. See, I mean, these kind of stuff is amazing. I feel like it feels good to do with AI. So, for example, whatever I did just now, right? I mean, it is super duper fast, right? Uh, yeah. So implementation is like if I draw parallel between TypeScript. In TypeScript, you have interface and then you implement the interface as a class. I think is it similar to that? It should be, I think. Uh, well, is it okay? I will do root code. I don't know if uh, uh, okay. Uh, well, I don't think it will log values because this itself is wrong, of course. Okay, let's pray and then see what if it works or not. Hopes and prayers. Oh, call. Oh my God, something went wrong. Upside unwrap and non-value. I think my regex died. Crap. Yes, exactly. Yes, you're right. Yeah, I think yeah, I think we can do that. That way, we can scope it out and do a lot of stuff. Yeah, definitely. I can try that, but for now something went wrong here. Uh, Name. I know it's not red, man. Why are you screaming in my ear? Uh, Maybe. Uh, uh, I have to do. Option unwrap. Bro, where is my line? Oh, 77. Oh, okay. What happened here? It says so, which means the internal this thing didn't capture, I think. Ah, this is wrong. This returns a tuple. That should do the job. Uh-huh. I don't think we need to borrow here. Uh, okay. I don't think it captured. Nope. Uh, let's see like if it logs the row. Hey, what the hell? Yeah, no, I think the regex itself is wrong. Something is going on from there. Right, so if you see, oh, I didn't account for white spaces. Crap. I think that's the reason. Let me see, just give me a moment. Oh no, oh, no, wait, that's correct. So multiline is true. We are getting capture is there, flatten is happening, and this is a match. Oh, it is correct. Wait, yeah. Oh, ah, didn't I do groups? Uh, no, I think the regex is wrong. So the panic is here on 81st line here. So basically, what is happening is in the internal cap regex, which should match uh, this. So if it is label name value, right? So and the row, this is what the row looks like, right? But for some reason, I think it should be 1, because zero will always be the, yup, I think I think that's the issue. Or is it not? Yeah, okay. Oh, I think these guys are the problems. No, wait, that should also work. Uh, is my regex wrong? I think my regex is wrong, maybe. Yep, my regex is wrong. I think this is, oh my god, everything is correct. Uh, this thing is the culprit. Uh, maybe printed. Yes, 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 yes. No, so the problem was the regex didn't cover double quotes. I think that was the reason, but again, it is still failing. Oh, oh, because it's a space. Yep. Uh, how do I skip? Can I do filter? Oh, oh, nice. Yay, super. It works. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, there is trim. But the thing is, that would still be part of the vector, right? Like I have to strike out white spaces. I think I should have the same thing above all as well. Not above, for the this one here, right? Because here same problem will happen, no? Correct. But at least it runs. I think that's great. So okay, so two of the things are done. First one is done. This is also done. Now comes the true actual work. that has to be done. So we have to read. Uh, I don't know how do we read. Read uh, uh, terminal input trust. I think it's called read line. It should be read line. Well, I can just ask perplexity. That will at least point me to something. Yep, it is. No, read from terminal. So, okay, so because you are so involved, I'll just tell you like what I am thinking to build. Yeah, so basically, the what I'm trying to build is we have a lot of secrets and we have a lot of values, and every secret can have 5 values. What you can do is at any point of time you can choose to set any value of those values for a specific secret, right? And for that, what I am thinking we can do is anytime the app is called, right, uh, it can you know like uh, what I mean by that is it will tell you, yeah, yes, I'm going to use that. So it will tell you what uh, like we have these many variables available, which one you want to choose and how you want to go ahead, right? So that's what I was reading here. Okay. Relay append, okay, new line append, remove links pass, okay, relay returns a result. You should handle, okay, I will handle for sure. Okay, so first we need to prompt, or I think we can do greet maybe. And greet should take secrets, which is a vector of string, and it's borrowed. Choose from the terminal or text field terminal. So how it will be is as soon as trigger, it will tell you, hey, we have these many variables, which one you want to choose. So based on what they choose from the terminal, we will select that secret and then show them these are all the secret, I mean, values that are available. So choose again one from here, right? Something like that. But let's try to greet and let's see if that works at least. Right. So print line hello. Well, no, sorry. Welcome to Rotor. That's a slight weird name, by the way. Uh, uh, Please choose a secret. And we call greet here. Welcome to Rotor. Please, perfect. So then we need to wait. Uh, Plan to use which match for choosing. Yeah, I think it can be something like a select where they can do arrow up, down, and stuff, and it's basically CLI stuff. I don't know how do I. Maybe I can do like something like this. Bun create tweet. So if you see, see something like this, right, where they can choose, but this is uh this looks good. I don't think I can make it look like this. It'll be something super rudimentary. So yeah, that is there. Uh, that would be uh, secret. And how do you do it? So standard in. Yeah, I don't think I can make a TUI. Uh, it will be yeah, it is like it TUI-esque maybe. I mean, not pretty TUI. Yeah, TUI definitely, but it's not pretty. It will be just like, rendering random stuff, something like that. I think. Um, Sorry. Uh, oh, is there a space? Oh, I think I need to loop over and do stuff. Uh, yeah, correct. I think going forward, maybe I can also settle on something like that. But for now, I'm just thinking maybe. Can I join? Oh, oh, nice. Like, can I like map and join? Map. Oh, oh, okay. Uh, uh, is there like a yeah? So is there a shorthand for format or something, or I don't know? Is there? Can I get index? How do you get index? Or you don't get index? Okay, then this is useless. Well, you don't need index. Uh, you uh uh secret. Huh. Please choose a secret below to proceed. Oh, oh, so this itself is wrong. Yeah, that is correct. How do I select? Okay, I can't select, so I'll do index. I think index makes sense. Uh, uh, give enter number 02. Oh, sorry. I like how like how stupid this looks. Yeah, it is very stupid. Okay, so if I do one, does it work? Beautiful. Okay. Uh, so now we have the uh, index. So I think instead of calling it secret, let's call it secret index, right? I think then we need to parse. Uh, Unmute secret index is a string. Well, read line doesn't do number, right? We need to morph that. Okay. Anyways, is there a parse int, u int parse? How do you convert? Yeah, how do I do that? Let me check. I think I should just read logs. Uh, Oh, is it that simple, huh? Oh, oh, yes, that makes sense. I keep forgetting. In Rust, you can do all that. Uh, uh, I think it will be U64, right? Because my system is 64 bit. Oh, why can't it be 64? Because I was reading today. Uh, oh, okay. Okay, understood. Oh, okay. So now we know what is the secret. Then we need to find. I should be better at naming. Wait, I think we can leave at greet itself, right? Ah, correct. Okay. Also, why am I writing everything in parse file? What the fuck? I should just write it here. Like, this doesn't make any sense. Okay. So we got the index. Then we just need to render uh, possible values, right? So then we can just loop over secret values dot filter. Oh, sorry, iter filter. You are correct. You are right. Same in Gleam. In fact, in Gleam, nobody actually uses unwrap because in Gleam, if you unwrap, you have to pass a value. So I don't know if you heard about, like, if you have seen it. So so if you see, like, they force you to pass a value. See, so so nobody really uses, because in Gleam it doesn't really panic, right? Like the discourage doing stuff like this. So I think for maybe for demo's sake, I'm just continuing. But ideally, I think we should always be yeah, going through that, right? It's a beautiful language, man. You should, or who, I mean, I don't know your this thing. Uh, what is that called? Orientation. I mean, whoever you are, yeah, it's a great language. I feel you should try it out someday, right? It's actually a great language. Yeah, pretty cool. I think. We can just start piping from here. Oh no, wait, 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 wait. Oh no, wait, wait, I think we can do it. Yeah, it's I don't know, man. Like in India, it doesn't really matter, but outside, definitely. Uh, I mean, here no one really gives that much, whoever you are, right? But I have a feeling people get offended outside. I mean, not feeling. It just the thing is like people get offended a lot outside. So just to be safe, who knows? Uh, uh, oh, uh, oh. I don't. Do we need it? Well, we can. Then I think it's better we split it then, maybe. I think after a long time, not long time, I would say. Uh, I think after Gleam, it feels so good to write Rust. Like, definitely. Uh, it feels actually pretty good. I don't know, like it feels very uh, like, oh, it feels very natural. I don't know. It feels very natural. Uh, okay, so we got that. Didn't we need the index? And I can just do this. Bro, what are you saying? You are identifying as a cat. I am a tree. Like I identify as a tree. Uh, T string I. Uh, but this is a string vector. Use size implement byte string. What the hell? Yeah, you are right. I think I should just do that because I'm depending on this too much. Why can't he do ah I think vector can't be accessed with why can't I directly access like like is there no index notation for that? That doesn't work actually. I don't think so. It screams. Yeah, but the thing is, oh, yes, exactly. I just realized that. I think that's why it's not working. Yeah, yeah, that's the problem, sir. Yeah. I think I have to read about U size again. I was reading this morning, but I think I have forgotten. I believe it was here. Yeah, here. Oh, wait, oh, wait. Yeah, okay. I haven't reached here. Anyways. Oh, hmm. Right. Correct. You cannot index. Well, I think I should just go back and understand it better again. Then, which means any kind of like any of them can become sorry, like here I can just convert this U32. I like how I'm just slapping unwrap everywhere, like it's my last day on Earth. Binary operation can okay. Oh, oh, sorry. Yeah, I have to dereference because otherwise it will be a pointer. And this is a different scope. If I'm not wrong, I think that's the reasoning. Yeah, I think maybe I need deeper understanding of like how all of this work. I feel like uh, even though I understand borrowing much better now from whatever I read today, and said not borrowing like what is that thing called, ownership. Then I feel like these data types and like moving around types and all this stuff. I think I should become much better. This is, I feel like there is a lot to learn there, right? Uh, Okay, that would be new line. Then that would be another new line. Oh, what is rustling? Ah, what is this? Oh, oh, I should do that then because I haven't. Yeah, lifetimes exactly. That is, I need a lot of work on that. Oh, this I did know. Nice. I mean, I have been following the Brown University Rust book, which has a lot of exercises and stuff. But I think I can try this. Thank you so much. Yes. Oh, bro, don't write my code for me. Uh, that would be name. Uh, and we have to join. What the hell? I know this won't work. I know. Uh, uh, what the fuck? Why there is, this is a vector, right? Uh, oh, bro, I think I should be better at this. Hey, oh, is it? I think it's in sync because I was comparing their doc against the official Rust book. I don't know actually because I am only at some chapter 3 or 4 or 5 basically. I'm at ownership basically. So I'm not really sure, but yeah, that I have to see. What the hell? Why the hell there is no join? Oh my god. Do I have to do like two vector and then I'll be able to join or what? What is happening? I think it's returning an iterator. Yeah, I mean I think map is an iterator, right? Oh, uh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's borrowed, of course, because it's filtered. Fwa. Yes, yes, because it's borrowed. In filter, yeah, yes. And here it will be, yeah, you're right. I have to- Thanks for helping. You have been a great help today. Uh, yeah, thank you so much. Uh, why do I have to clone though? I mean, I get it why I have to clone. So if I pass a reference, join exists for struct. Yeah, it is a reference. So then this will become what? No, that won't, because of course this will always return a new one. Okay. But Kal, I did that, but the thing is, join says it cannot take. So if you see here, if I borrow name, So it says join exists for struct, but its straight bounds were not satisfied. The following. I think join cannot operate on. Anyways, I think we can try with clone and then see. Right? Oh, but this is still correct, right? I mean, this but the only issue is here there will be like a full like a deep clone of this string instead of a reference, correct? Right? I mean, uh, oh my God, what's it? Oh, it's already two. Wow. Right. Man, time flies. I think I can maybe stop here and go take some rest. I'll put it somewhere. Let me see if I can quickly create a repo. Uh, what's your name, Zian? Hey, I would love to connect on Twitter if you can, if you're open to. And thanks everyone. Thanks Vikas for joining also. Uh, where is new repository? Uh, yeah, Discord. I think I have. You can send. I don't know how do people connect on Discord. That I have to see. If you have a GitHub also, that works. Correct. Yeah, if you have a GitHub, that also works. Yeah, okay. Discord. If I don't know how people make friends in Discord. Like, do we send a number or something, or how does it work? I don't know. Uh, well, I'm like, I'm not into that kind. I don't know what to say. Anyways, uh, what else you do here? I forgot. Uh, uh, well, I forgot to add read me. Crap. Uh, uh, I'll just do quick lines. Uh, Okay, I think that's it. Thank you so much, both of you. Uh, I have everything here. I think I'll also drop the repo link somewhere, right? Oh, how do I save? Isn't there a save? Oh my god, look at this UI is hell. Anyways, thank you so much, both of you, and whoever was there. It was great today. I think yeah, I streamed after a long time, and I've never actually had this much engagement. This is next level. I don't know how people came, but it was great. Uh, and see you folks on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye. Yeah, of course, of course. I mean, I'm writing. I'm literally writing Rust after what 2 days of studying, maybe 2 3 days. So definitely, it was exciting because there is literally everything to learn and nothing I know, right? So yeah, and thank you for being a great help. See you on the next one, and good night. Bye.